Won't you come home?
Our story begins on Valentine's Day, February 14, 1900. On that day, a young civil engineer from the city of Oakland filed articles of incorporation for the Graniterock Company. Arthur R. Wilson had purchased a little granite quarry on the banks of the Pajaro River outside of Watsonville. Graniterock was building roads and buildings throughout Northern California, and granite from the quarry outside Aromas was being used to build new railroads throughout the region. Early on, the only way to mine the rock was with picks, shovels, and wheelbarrows. Men earned a day's wages of $1.75. They broke up the granite and loaded it onto horse-drawn wagons for transport to the railroad line. And before long, automobiles were replacing the horse and buggy. In 1915, San Franciscans celebrated the rebuilding of their city with a grand World's Fair. Here, Graniterock received the first of many awards for quality, the Panama Pacific Exposition's Gold Medal of Excellence for crushed rock. California was booming, and the company grew with it. Street paving became necessary, and Graniterock was busy paving streets and highways, installing gutters, and supplying materials for all kinds of new construction projects. In 1918, Graniterock built a highway known as the Cauliflower Boulevard to connect the towns of Castroville and Salinas. And on the crew was a summer laborer named John Steinbeck. In 1922, Wilson split his business into 3 separate companies. Graniterock produced rock and sand products, Central Supply sold materials, and Granite Construction handled construction projects. In 1936, Wilson's widow sold Granite Construction to its managers, and ever since then, the 2 companies have been completely separate entities. California's first asphaltic concrete plant was opened at Aromas, and the company began the state's first delivery of pre-mixed concrete. In the early 1950s, A.R.'s daughter Betsy and her husband Bruce G. Wolpert took over management of the company. New plants went in from San Francisco to Monterey, and Graniterock supplied the materials required to build the homes, highways, and construction projects of our region. During the 1980s, the newly formed construction division quickly became one of California's top heavy engineering contractors. The information age and quality-focused research and development technology produced an array of groundbreaking systems to advance productivity and customer satisfaction. Graniterock people continue to find new opportunities in the face of challenges. Renewed emphasis on safety and extensive investment in technology, plants, and equipment have strengthened the company and its people. A new generation of Graniterock leaders carry on the values of quality, innovation, and respect for people first established by our founder, A.R. Wilson.